Seafarers, every journey starts with a single step. Whether you're a seasoned mariner or just beginning your career at sea, that first move is what sets everything in motion. The ocean is vast, and so are the opportunities waiting for you beyond the horizon. Sometimes that step is just checking your email or opening a message that could change your life. It might seem small, but it's the gateway to your next big adventure. Or maybe it's updating your CV, making sure your experience and skills shine through. Every detail you add brings you closer to your next contract, your next voyage, your next achievement. At Candina, I connect you straight to top global ship owners. No middlemen, no placement fees, no hidden costs. You get direct access to the people who make decisions, who value your expertise, and who are searching for dedicated professionals like you. Just real opportunities, open for you right now. The maritime industry is always evolving, and new positions are opening up every day. Whether you're looking for your first contract or your 10th, there's a place for you. Think about it. Each contract isn't just a job. It's a stepping stone to something greater, a chance to prove yourself and grow in ways you never imagined. It's a ticket to growth. Every voyage brings new challenges, new skills, and new experiences that shape your future. A way to support your family, build your skills, and create a better life for yourself and those you care about. Your hard work at sea makes a real difference back home, and level up your career at sea. Training, certifications, and hands-on experience all add up, making you more valuable with every contract you complete. The world needs experienced engineers, officers, ratings, people just like you. Your knowledge and dedication keep the global fleet moving, and your expertise is in high demand. Out there, right now, someone's looking for your dedication and your expertise. Ship owners and recruiters are searching for reliable crew members who are ready to take on new challenges. So why wait? The next opportunity could be just a click away. The industry is moving fast, and your next contract could already be out there, searching for you as much as you're searching for. Grab that chance before it sails away. Take a moment to update your CV today. Make sure your experience, certifications, and achievements are up to date and ready to impress. Take one small action. Send that email, apply for that job, or reach out to a recruiter. Sometimes the smallest step can lead to the biggest change. Because your future contract, it could be the one that changes everything for you and your family. It may already be waiting, just a step away from becoming your reality. And your next adventure at sea starts with that first step. Don't let it pass you by. Seize your opportunity and set sail toward your future today.